Welcome to this video on Business Tour. Here I am going to walk you through the big business opportunity of Intelligence Prime Capital. With this great opportunity you can own a business system in the Forex market that can help you to generate consistent daily income and live your biggest financial dreams. I can guess the question hovering in your mind right now: what is this Intelligence Prime Capital all about? Intelligence Prime Capital, or IPC for short, is a fintech company that specializes in creating high-tech products that makes it very convenient for Forex traders and all the want-to-be Forex traders to easily navigate the Forex market and make consistent profits on a daily basis.
Before we dive in fully in this presentation, I think it's very important I talk to you briefly about the Forex market. The Forex market is the world's largest financial market that is doing a turnover of more than $800 million on a daily basis. The total Forex liquidity, or financial volume, is over $6 trillion. There is a huge financial volume in the Forex market because local banks, central banks, hedge funds, richest men and women from around the world, and millions of individual traders make profit from the Forex market. Honestly, there is so much money to grab in this Forex market, and Intelligence Prime Capital has made it so simple, very easy, that even a novice can easily connect and make money in this great industry. Please pay attention to this that I am about to say right now. We have a rich system and a poor system. If you work or do business in a rich system, you will be rich. And if you work or do business in a poor system, you will be poor. The rich make big money because they prefer to play big in the rich system. The Forex market is a rich system with so much prospects, but it can also be very risky if you are ignorant and greedy. But with the business system of Intelligence Prime Capital, aided by technology of artificial intelligence, AI, anyone can now make consistent profit in the Forex market without doing the trading yourself. This system has been proven to work for many years before it was introduced to the public. If you truly want to know exactly how it works, do watch this video till the end and you will find out how.
Let's look at different ways people do business in the Forex industry. The most popular type of trading is the personal trading. This is where you go into the market to trade on your own. Whether you know what you are doing or not is entirely your business, and no one cares. Now research has it that 95% of Forex traders who trade personally fail because of greed, poor analysis, unstable emotions, lack of knowledge, etc. That means if you want to trade Forex by yourself, you have only 5% chance of success. And now you know why they told you that the Forex trading is very risky. The second way you can approach the Forex market is through copy trading. Copy trading is where you need to identify a professional who is doing well in Forex trading and then connect your account to that trader. Once the trader makes profit, you will make profit. If the trader makes a huge loss, all of you will go down together. To me, this is a 50-50 chance, and we can't leave anything to chance. The third and best way to approach the Forex market is through the AI analysis system. This is the method central banks, local banks, hedge funds, and many Forex whales use to trade in the Forex market, and this method gives them consistent profit.
The AI robot surpasses the human brain in terms of speed and accuracy while analyzing market data. A good Forex robot can evaluate multiple indicators at the same time while trading, and automatically use a large amount of historical data to back test trading strategies. That is why AI bot trades better and generates more profit. And now you have the opportunity to leverage on the AI bot system, that is a Forex intelligent robot, and stay in profit consistently. This was made possible by the ingenuity of this great company called Intelligence Prime Capital, IPC.
Intelligence Prime Capital is a Canadian company with its corporate office at 1 Yonge Street, Suite 1304, Toronto, Canada. This company has obtained different regulatory licenses from the Canadian government, US government, and Australian government. They also holds different digital asset management licenses. Intelligence Prime Capital successfully designed and tested their AI bot system for years before launching it to the public in June 2021.
For the several months of testing the AI bot system, it consistently set the dazzling record of 97% win rate. Remember we told you that the bot was sold for public use in June 2021. So from June 2021 till today, this bot is constantly trading and generating consistent profit for different individuals in different parts of the world. The win rate is 97%. This means that in every 100 trades the robot takes, at least 97 trades out of the 100 trades are sure to be in profit, then only about 3% will be at a loss. Please don't take our word for it, just do your own research and you will be amazed at the result. What this means is that as you engage the Forex market this time, you won't be the person trading or making the trading decisions. Rather the robot will be doing all that for you. And this AI robot is really a genius. It understands the dynamics of the Forex market. It understands what controls the Forex market. The AI bot understands the cycles in the Forex market. The bot knows exactly the best currency pairs to trade that will help it achieve the desired result of 97% win rate. So why not engage this bot today and see wonders for yourself?
It is also very interesting to know that this bot is already in use in different countries of the world. Now we have over 100,000 clients from United States of America to UK, to Canada, to Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, etc. Honestly, the AI bot system is the new big deal in the Forex market. Intelligence Prime Capital is not only operating as a fintech company, but also holds the certificate of incorporation with the Canadian government. Intelligence Prime Capital also has a license with FINTRAC. FINTRAC is Financial Transactions and Report Analysis Centre of Canada. The FINTRAC MSB registration number is M210802237. Intelligence Prime Capital is also registered with U.S. FinCEN. FinCEN is the Financial Crime Enforcement Bureau, an agency under the U.S. Department of the Treasury. The FinCEN MSB registration number is 31001920922217. Intelligence Prime Capital also have the Australian Asic certification to back up their business. Asic means the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. The Asic regulatory license number is 0012946222. What all these agencies do is to regulate registered companies, financial markets, and providers of financial services and credit services. They fight anything like financial crimes, Ponzi schemes, and scams. They fight whatever that has the potential of scamming people of their hard-earned money. So you see, for Intelligence Prime Capital to go all the way to obtain all these licenses and certifications means they are in for a real deal and you are well protected as a client.
Another reason you will choose Intelligence Prime Capital is the fact that they work with the world-class Forex platform MetaTrader 4. It gives you the opportunity to be in control of your fund. When you buy your own AI robot and deposit your trading capital in your personal Forex trading platform, you can monitor the activities of the bot by yourself anytime you want. You can choose to be checking it daily or weekly with your mobile device at your own convenience. You will see what the AI bot is doing for you. You will see where the bot is making consistent profit for you. You can choose to withdraw your profit or compound it so you can have even a higher trading capital. Intelligence Prime Capital is really awesome.
I want to reiterate it, on what makes the AI robot of Intelligent Prime Capital very effective and different from other bots you might have seen or used out there. Intelligence Prime Capital found a way to intelligently program all the 16 different strategies in the Forex market in their AI bot. It helps the bot able to take into consideration and understand what goes on in all the market cycles in the Forex market. Most of the bots we have out there were coded with just few strategies. That is why some of the bots will look like it's working in some market cycles, but once the market cycle is over, it will begin to accumulate losses. But the AI bot of Intelligence Prime Capital understands all the market cycles and trades swiftly and efficiently with the most appropriate strategies and give you consistent profit as the user. If you are not trading with this bot, you are missing out.
To get started with Intelligence Prime Capital, you will need to buy your own bot and fund your account with your preferred trading capital. You can see all the bots on the screen, their prices, and their monthly performances. But over 90% of the IPC clients choose the Genius robot, and I will advise you to also go for the Genius robot because it is the only bot that can give you a monthly profit return of between 30% to 45%. The Genius bot is a 5-star bot because it rarely loses a trade. It does exactly 97% success rate. To get started, the Genius bot will cost you just a $100 subscription fee. The minimum trading capital you can attach to the Genius bot is also $100. But many other clients prefer to start with higher trading capital like $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, etc. For any amount you deposit as your trading capital, the Genius bot will trade for you and give you between 30% and 45% profit every month. Yes. You heard me right, 30% to 45% return on your capital. This is exactly what I mean. Let's assume you buy the Genius bot for $100. And then deposit $1,000 as your trading capital. The AI bot will trade for you daily and make profit for you daily. And after 1 month, the total profit you would have earned on your $1,000 capital is between 30% and 45%. That is between $300 and $450 as a profit of the $1,000 in 1 month. Remember that the $1,000 capital is still your money. I believe by now you are very amazed already. If you trade with $100,000 trading capital, you will earn profit of between $30,000 and $45,000 passive income every month, and your $100,000 capital is still there for you. Remember that Intelligence Prime Capital is not paying you from their pocket. Rather, their high-tech product, which is the AI bot, will trade for you at the global Forex market and make the profit for you from that market. So here in IPC, the bot does the work, and we spend the money. Honestly, this is the smartest business model in this technology-driven world. Question: when can I start this business? Answer: the best time to start this business was yesterday. So get back to the person that shared this video with you. He or she will guide you on how to start this business immediately. Forex trading has not been this easy with AI bot of Intelligence Prime Capital. Thank you very much for your time. See you the other side.